Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving into some challenging mdcat MCQs to sharpen your chemistry knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ says, what type of bond is formed between two nitrogen atom and a nitrogen molecule? A. Single covalent bond. B. Double covalent bond. C. Triple covalent bond. D. Quadruple covalent bond. So the correct option is C. Triple covalent bond. Which which molecule contains both a single and a double covalent bond? A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Acetone. D. Ethylene. So the correct option is C. Which element is typically involved in forming a covalent bond with hydrogen to create a diatomic molecule? A. Helium. B. Neon. C. Fluorine. D. Argon. So the correct option is fluorine. C. In a molecule of sulfur dichloride, how many single bonds are present? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 1. So the correct option is A. 2. What is the bond angle in a molecule with a trigonal planar geometry? A. 90. B. 109.5. C. 120. D. 180. So the correct option is C. What is the molecular shape of a molecule with four bonded pairs and no lone pair around the central atom? A. Tetrahedral. B. Trigonal bipyramidal. C. Seesaw. D. Trigonal pyramidal. So the correct option is B. Which molecule has a linear geometry and is an example of a diatomic molecule? A. Oxygen difluoride. B. Nitrogen trifluoride. C. Hydrogen bromide. And D. Sulfur dioxide. So the correct option is C. Hydrogen bromide. Which molecular shape is associated with a molecule having two bonded pairs and two lone pairs around the central atom? A. Linear. B. Bent. C. Trigonal planar. D. Trigonal bipyramidal. So the correct option is B. Bent. What is the geometry of a molecule with six pairs of electrons around the central atom? A. Tetrahedral. B. Trigonal bipyramidal. C. Octahedral. And D. Quadruplanar. So the correct option is octahedral. Which of the following molecules exhibit a tetrahedral electrons pair geometry and a bent molecule shape? A. Methane. B. Water. C. Ammonia. D. Carbon dioxide. So the correct option is B. Water. What is the shape of a molecule with three bonded pairs and no lone pair around the central atom? A. Trigonal planar. B. Tetrahedral. C. Trigonal pyramidal. D. Bent. So the correct option is C. What molecule has a bond of approximately 180 degrees? A. Methane. B. Water. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Ammonia. So the correct option is C. Carbon dioxide. In a molecule with a seesaw shape, how many lone pairs are on the central atom? A. None. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. So the correct option is B, 1. Which molecule has a trigonal bipyramidal electron pair geometry and a linear molecular shape? A. Chlorine trifluoride. B. Sulfur hexafluoride. D. Iodine pentafluoride. And D. Xenon tetrafluoride. So the correct option is A. Chlorine trifluoride. So thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your chemistry skills, studying, and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.